ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbantaban Shakri api, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai lekai bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Usumbut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ba Prestone tensong ulaong baka phang ka ba ubu hakmat kalong ban ai ke jing Shakri ke ba pura sha Paidbah ke Jylla kibala jit ya u kum unong mikmat bat unom pendem lane kenran din no na ke jing kentho jing keno bat ke jing berthen jong ki wei gibriu lane ki kenhon hagajo kapor uba Prestone ulaong balada ki jing keno ki long ki badon nong rim rengkat ki sakhi ki sabut ula kloi ban hiar shuki no season don nakaket kum usumbut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla lem kamta un yai trei bet ya ka kam hadu ki klip mat ki bakhadu hagawai bat kaliang uba Prestone tensong ulaong balada ka kenhon king atiar New Trap National Liberation Council ka kwa shisaya ka jingesuk ka sarkar Jylla kalong ka bakloi ban ya kendu hakame ya kren hapo ki kendon jong ka ain.
I have no comment on that. I can't say anything on that. See, but one thing I think we need to understand. It is not so easy for me to just threaten anybody. So therefore, I personally feel is, as a citizen, responsible citizen of the state, I should not take any special cognizance on that. Because I think those people who treated me, I don't know for what. I don't know for what. And what is the reason? Or whether is it just for the sake of treating, that also we don't know. But what I'm saying is, I am elected by the people of Peninsula Constituency. I'm here just because of the mandate of the people of the state as a whole, as Deputy Chief Minister. So my commitment is to make sure that I serve with sincerity and I will serve the state till the last breath of my life. I've already clarified everything. Let me just reiterate. If the allegation is substantiated, I'm ready to resign even this moment. From the post of Deputy Chief Minister, I'm ready to resign. That's what I'm saying. So I'll just keep telling again about this issue. Well, my only appeal to them is this. From the state government, we welcome discussion, we welcome the dialogue, but that does not end only within the authority of the state government. It has to be from the central government, because banning HNLC also done not by the state government. It was done by the central government. Otherwise, I'm telling you, if it is within our jurisdiction, within our power, I think by this time, negotiation or dialogue or discussion would have started. Kabangi ni keren, kabangi appeal kalong kaway. Ben-i, yakikam, bapiru pi long serious hakabakwa mani keren. Mangi na government kumangala ada keren ng akini kisgi. Ngong bangi na government, wal ada officially kampan don kanu gijing thok kaban ong ba kadon gijing kwa kren ten rei ngir ngi sutu nio i ha ke media nio i ki kot kubor nio i ha ki social media ba ki pen pau gijing kwa kren we welcome ye kata ni welcome ye kata ngir ngi kwa ban engage se gijing kren ten rei ha ke jibo por ka ba ngangat kwa ban ong ba pen pau ye gijing long sincere jong pi da ka ba sange i ki ke bo khoi khnam ba ka central government bu namar ba komo opini naga government state government ni ai ke report kenang bang ngilah ban pen kongo ru ya ka sarkar pedeng ba kan ya sektan nakamta kan ke jingi kren but ya enche echedensi.